Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can blur video background on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have already created a project on my InShot application, and as you can see that I have imported my video to this InShot project. Then the first thing we're going to do is adding the blur effect to this video. So we can go to the filter option, then tap on the effect. Then we're going to select the style category. Where is it? Okay, this is the style category. Then you're going to select the blur effect. You can scroll all the way to the right like this, and this is the blur effect, and we have to select it. Okay, and you can make it super blur by going right like this. You can also make it less blur, and I'm gonna go with super blur. Then after we're done, we can tap on this check mark button. Okay, and make sure that this effect align with the video, so we can drag the effect like this, and after that you can tap on this check mark button. Okay, and we're going to click on the PIP option. Tap on the PIP option, then you have to import the same video that you have just imported before. This is the video, so we can tap on it, then we can click on this button to fade it. Okay, now we're going to click on cutout option. You can scroll all the way to the right like this until you find the cutout option. Tap on the cutout option to remove the background. Okay guys, and now as you can see that the video background has been blurred, then we can play the video to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can blur video background on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.